Welcome to our video on the top foods high in magnesium. Are you looking for ways to improve your health naturally? Magnesium is an essential mineral that your body needs for many important functions. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at the best dietary sources of magnesium, their benefits, and how they can enhance your overall well-being. So let's dive into the world of nutrient-rich foods that are packed with magnesium. Before we jump into the top foods high in magnesium, let's understand why magnesium is so important for your health. Magnesium is a mineral that is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, including energy production, muscle and nerve function, and the synthesis of DNA and proteins. It also plays a vital role in bone health and supports a healthy immune system. Unfortunately, many people do not consume enough magnesium in their diet, which can lead to magnesium deficiency and associated health problems. But fret not. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your diet is easy and delicious. So let's explore the top foods high in magnesium that you can start incorporating into your meals today. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens are excellent sources of magnesium. These dark, leafy vegetables are not only low in calories, but also packed with essential nutrients, including magnesium. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach contains approximately 157 milligrams of magnesium, which is about 40% of the recommended daily allowance for adults. Leafy greens are a powerhouse of magnesium. They are not only rich in this vital mineral, but also packed with other essential nutrients such as vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. Adding leafy greens to your diet can help boost your magnesium intake and support your overall health. Nuts and seeds are another great source of magnesium. Almonds, cashews, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds are particularly high in magnesium. Just 1 ounce, about 28 grams of almonds provides approximately 80 milligrams of magnesium, which is about 20% of the RDA for adults. If you're looking for a convenient and tasty way to increase your magnesium intake, nuts and seeds are a great option. They make for a satisfying and healthy snack that can help you meet your daily magnesium needs. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, oatmeal, and whole wheat bread are excellent sources of magnesium. These grains are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including magnesium. 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains approximately 118 milligrams of magnesium, which is about 30% of the RDA for adults. Choosing whole grains over refined grains is not only good for your overall health, but also a great way to increase your magnesium intake. Whole grains are packed with essential nutrients, including magnesium, and can be easily incorporated into your meals for added health benefits. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are another excellent source of magnesium. These plant-based protein sources are not only rich in magnesium, but also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Just 1 cup of cooked black beans provides approximately 120 milligrams of magnesium, which is about 30% of the RDA for adults. Legumes are a fantastic addition to any healthy diet, as they are not only high in magnesium, but also a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. Incorporating legumes into your meals can help boost your magnesium intake and promote overall health and well-being. Seafood, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna, are rich in magnesium. These fish are not only a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, but also packed with other essential nutrients, including magnesium. A 3-ounce serving of cooked salmon contains approximately 53 milligrams of magnesium, which is about 13% of the RDA for adults. Seafood is not only delicious, but also a fantastic source of magnesium. Fatty fish, in particular, is a great addition to a healthy diet as it provides a good amount of magnesium along with other essential nutrients. Including seafood in your meal plan can help you meet your magnesium needs and support your overall health. So, there you have it, the top foods high in magnesium. Incorporating these nutrient-rich choices into your diet can help you boost your magnesium intake and support your overall health and well-being. Remember to choose a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods rich in magnesium, and consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Thank you for watching our video on the top foods high in magnesium. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on health and nutrition. Stay healthy and see you next time.